Hi guys, I welcome you to Money Clues Forex Education YouTube channel. I'm so much happy to have you here, and today I'm going to teach you about ways of making your own strategy. The reason why I'm saying this, there is a particular friend of mine, my students, told me that, you know what, I'm already exploding because the information I'm getting, she's a newbie, she told me I'm almost exploding. So I came to realize that why don't I teach you guys about having, a knowledge of making your own strategy basing on what I personally use. Shout out to Winner Girl, shout out to Joyce Kavili, shout out to Daniel, shout out to African Sun, and another guy called Lumumba. I don't know whether it's Lumumba, kindly forgive me. Thank you so much for your support, and whoever is supporting me, thank you. If you want me to mention in my next video, subscribe and comment down below and turn on the notification bell. So a girl called Winner Girl told me, kindly show us how to spot support and resistance so that we can be understanding what you're telling us. And I'm here for you, and I've decided to combine this video, okay, to make it a strategy that you personally use in analyzing your market. Okay guys, so in making your own strategy, what do I really have to know? You really have to know about support, resistance, breakout, pullback. Such things, you really have to know them because those are very important thing in forex trading. The last time I did a video about forex basic for beginners. If you've not watched that video, link is on my description. I defined what support is and what resistance is, and what breakout is, and what resistance and what retest is. So today I'm going to show you, an example, a live example with support and resistance. So guys, a very good example here. This is support right here. What have I made me know this is support? You can see how the price was really retesting this place, and it was not even able to break above. Okay, so support is resistance. Sorry, resistance is where the price of the market cannot break above. Like for instance, here you can see there is high rejection of higher prices. I told you the market is developing some weeks, showing weakness of buyers in the market, and you can see this is 1 hour time frame. Our market dropped. So to answer the question of how to spot a resistance, okay, you have to know that there must be a rejection of prices. You see that there is too much rejection of higher prices, like the market is not breaking above that level. And when it comes to this, like support and resistance, guys, like for instance here, personally what I do tell myself is the line I've drawn below this particular line here, what I know is that this is the support for now, okay, and this is the resistance for now. Okay, so when it comes to this point, what I do is I do look at the patterns, like the double formation, like the double top formation, the M formation, the head and shoulders. That's what I do. But it's so hard for you to know like which patterns is really forming, because as you can see in here right now, there is no clear indication that this is an M formation. But what you're supposed to do when it comes to this point, remember I told you to switch your chart to be on a line chart, and this is how it is, and you're going to see exactly what the market is doing right here. Okay, according to my own view, I will see that there was a slight inverse, not inverse, head and shoulders over here. This is the head and these are the two shoulders, and the market was able to break this neckline. Let me just call it a neckline, okay, and it went below. But when you turn this chart to a candlestick, you're not going to see this one. You're not going to have a clear picture of head and shoulders. You're not going to see this. So guys, if you want to get this clearly, you're going to see that sure you could not see this with your naked eye until when you switch your chart to be in a line chart. That's when you're going to see that one. Okay, so guys, if you really want to know how the market is doing right now, this is the 1 hour time frame. Okay, I've drawn the support and resistance here. I've drawn the support and resistance at this point. Why have I drawn the resistance? Because the market has to break below this so that I can get into the market. Okay, and it break below, guys, and whoever got to a sell, actually you collected some good pips, and that's a very good, you know, amount of money. This is a good movement, guys. You can see how strong this bearish candlestick was. Okay, so guys, there is something else we call support. Support is where a market can't break below. Okay, the market can't break below at any given point. You're going to see some rejection also. Let me just draw it right here. You're going to see some rejection that the market was unable to even break below. And I'm going also to draw my chart over here, and that was my resistance at this given point. So what are you supposed to do at this point? As you can see, my lower line over here, the market has really retested here. Personally, I do say that my support and resistance is so you know, active, and I can rely on it if it has been, you know, retested more than 2 times. It is being, you know, tested and the market is not breaking below. Like here, you can see there is a wick, and when it comes to here also, there was development of this wick. So there is, you know, a clear information and direction that this market is bullish. Okay, so why have I drawn this one? When the market breaks above this part, now I have drawn the support. That's a clear buy. And guys, you can see how this market went crazily up. You can see we have very strong candlestick, a bullish candlestick, and that was a great buy. So guys, to cut the long story short, I want to tell you that support is a zone, let me just call it a zone, where the price cannot at any given point break down. Okay, because that support is retested and the market cannot, you know, break down, and buyers are pushing the market up, and they overcame the sellers and they pushed the market up. That's a clear definition of support. And guys, this is a clear example of a resistance. I told you that so that you can prove that the support and resistance, you know, is legit and you can rely on it, it has to be retested several times. But this does not apply every time, and I will tell you some time frames that will not see this happening. Okay, and I hope now I'm clear. So guys, as we did this one, as we did to resistance, let's do this to support and see the kind of a pattern is here so that we can see what is it all about. So we're going to switch our chart to a line chart, and you can see definitely, guys, there was this was kind of a W formation over here, and you can see the market, sorry, what do you call the double bottom, we call it the double bottom, and you can see here the price was unable to break above the previous support, which was here. So what did the market do? It retested, like coming back to this level again. Okay, and then it went up, but this one was not clear when we had candlestick. Okay, but what you're supposed to do here, I do tell my students, like, I've drawn my line over here, the above line here, and the market broke above, and you can see there was a steady movement of bullish of the bullish market. If you enter into the market, you are definitely collecting good pips. Okay guys, so let's go back. You can see over here we could not have a clear thing that what was happening right here. Okay, so let me talk about consolidation, or something we call it, some people call it accumulation, but personally I do call it there was a consolidation. What happens in consolidation? During consolidation, this is where the big banks, or rather the money the big sharks, you know, some people call them sharks, some people call them the market makers, some people call them the big boys, whatever you call them. But whenever you will see a consolidation, just know that this particular place, this is a place where the big banks and the big players in the market are collecting their orders, right? And when something like this happens, guys, let me draw and just see the chemistry over here. This is a very, very good example about consolidation. Guys, you can see how crazily this market was consolidating. You can imagine this was 1 hour time frame and the market was still consolidating. But bear in mind, we are in uptrend. Okay, we are in uptrend, so the market is on uptrend. This happens when there is consolidation on any trade. Just know the market will move level 1, then it will consolidate, right? After consolidation to have another movement. Okay, so what happens in consolidation? I told you the big players in the market are collecting their orders right here so that they can push the market higher, right? So this is a very, very good example. And what happens after a break, consolidation or accumulation? There is a breakout. Okay, and this breakout, okay, somebody is confusing me. No, so at this point there is a breakout, sorry, not a breakup, guys, I'm not broken up. So this is a clear movement, as you can see. Oh, the market right here, sorry, let me use this. Okay, as you can see here, the market was consolidating, so the big players, you know what, they were taking their orders so that they can push their market up. So after, I know you've heard me talking about a breakout in forex trading, right? A breakout is whereby the market will break above this level that is so consolidating, and you can see here it actually broke above this level. It actually broke this level over here and it pushed up. That's a very, very good example about consolidation. I do tell my people, when it comes to consolidation, when you see the market is not having a clear direction, kindly get out of the market. Get out of the market and don't trade until you see a clear movement. How are you going to determine about a clear movement in the market? Okay, so after a breakout, you hear me telling you about retest. You know, somebody asked me, what is retest? I will tell you today. Jessica Vili, I remember it was you who asked me about retest. So this is how it is, guys. After a breakout right here, okay, you can see like the market was even wondering, are we going to go up, are we going to go down, are we going to do what? This is a very, very clear indication of a retest over here. Okay, you see the market was touching, you know, the line I've drawn. That is very, very important to draw these lines here, because they do help you in one way or another. And you can see at this point, you know, the market was rejecting, you know, my resistance at this given point, and you see it was pushing up, then it retested again, and then it pushed up. So when it comes to this point once more, I do wait for a retest. This one was kind of confusing because you can see there was a large, you know, bearish candle, but if you're so keen, you come to realize that it has a wick. showing that it is being rejected and the market is being pushed upward. So you will come here over again and draw something like this. Just know the market will also retest this zone here. I mean this zone over here. Why? This the market went up to this point, guys, as you can see over here. It went here, then it came back. So the same price, it has to, you know, to test this resistance. This was a resistance, but now this resistance has been broken and it has now become our support. That's what we mean by breakout. Okay, so guys, after that you see the market broke above here. So what are you supposed to do? Get into this market at this point. Okay, then after there you're coming to realize that the market is not moving any further. Okay, that's when we came up with our M formation over here, our head and shoulders, to what we did. You can see we came from our head and shoulders. After this was the consolidation. You're going to see it very well on your line chart, and this was our support over here. I hope my people are really connected with what I'm saying, guys. If you're understanding, comment down below and tell me you are really understanding. So far I've done about support and resistance. I've taught you even about breakout. I've even shown you a live example with even the consolidation, the breakout, the retest. I've shown you how it happens, and now I want to show you how you will be doing your own analysis so that you can get good into the market, right? So let me start with the GBP USD. What do I do when I get into the chart that day? Well, what I do is, this is technical analysis. I'm a technical trader and a fundamental trader. We are yet to cover about news. You know, we were covering up about the technical and, you know, telling our new people, you know, about forex trading, taught about basic, but this is technical analysis. So this is how you're going to do your own strategy, developing your own strategy. Number one, okay, you need to know the support and resistance. Number two, the breakout. Number three, you have to know the patterns. Guys, there is a screenshot. There is some screenshot I sent in my Telegram group. Guys, if not joined our Telegram group, join us. It's all about the reversal patterns, and they do help you a lot. Okay, make sure you join that Telegram group, and I'm going to show you the thing we do right there. I'm going to share to show you those screenshots so that you can connect. So guys, this is what I really do whenever I get into the market every day, when I want to analyze my market every day. This is a weekly time frame. That's why I do start. I do mark this level over here, and I will see this is my weekly time frame. Okay, and I will mark also the rejected place. I'll mark it over here. So those are strong supports, resistance for me at this given point. So I'll mark here support and resistance, but I don't really mark them, but because I know what it is. So when it comes to here, still I will mark here, that is my support. Okay, I will go to 4-hour time frame. This is weekly, so I'll go to daily, and you can see how daily is working on this one, right? You're going to see the strong support over here. You will come to realize that there was kind of a head and shoulder right here. This was a head, this one, and this was a shoulder, and this one is a shoulder. Okay, that's on daily time frame. So what am I going to add here? I have not marked some places over here, so I will know the market will have to react at this point over here, and I know still it's going to react over here, and I know still it's going to react at this point. Okay, it's also going to react at this point, and it's also going to react at this point. Draw all of them, and it's also going to react at this point. Remember, this is daily time frame, so let's go to 4 hours time frame. So guys, as you can see, I've marked the most important places, the support and my resistance here. So I've marked this one. So when the price approaches this place, I'm going to see that there is something that is about to happen. So when I was in the market, I will see that let me exit at this point, or rather let me wait for a reversal pattern or anything. So guys, you see right here I had marked my support, and you can see, of course, it was rejected over here. Okay, so I'll proceed, guys, and go to 1 hour time frame. Wow. Okay, yeah. Okay, so in 1 hour time frame, just turn your chart. Let me just expand it. Let's turn your chart to be in a line chart and see what was happening here at support. You're going to see there was a slight double bottom formation over here. Okay, and you can see on this line I've drawn over here, it had broke above. So after marking those support and resistance, come to 1 hour time frame, 15 minutes time frame, and look for entry. Like for instance here, I could have taken the buying. I would have taken the buying order right here. Okay, so guys, also mark right here. So in 1 hour time frame, you see that the price is rejecting this place. Okay, so that's the strong support for you right now. So the market can push down. As you can see here, it really reacted to that, guys. You can really see how I do my own analysis. Okay, so let's go to 30 minutes time frame. Okay, 30 minutes time frame, the same thing applies. It respected my support and resistance from the higher time frames. It is retesting over here, and the market is kind of going down. But at this point, you really have to see what is happening, because I can see there is kind of rejection over here. So there is a high probability the same market can go low. Okay, or rather it will test this place over here, you see guys, and it shoots up. Okay, this can be a slight pullback and then the market shoots up. Okay, that's a very good example about how I do analyze my market, guys. If you use this strategy, trust me, it's going to help you at any given point. So guys, go to 15 minutes time frame. You see the crazy thing that was happening over here. Okay, go to 5 minutes time frame also and check what is happening right here. So there is the market actually dropped at this given point, and it's kind of a consolidation over here. So you're going to mark your consolidation parts over here. Do like this, do like this, and you can see here there is a kind of an M formation. Yes, so guys, you can wait and see the next move over here. So guys, that's how you can easily make your own trading strategy, right, and be profitable. Kindly test this on your demo account before going live. I appreciate you. Thank you for sticking with me till here. I'm really humbled. May God bless you. Just know your day is coming and your success will definitely pay you. Have a lovely day ahead. Remember to subscribe, remember to comment down below, and may you shine and may you keep on winning. Bye guys, see you in my next video.